हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक। तो आज हम फिर एमसीक्यू लेके आए हैं आपके लिए। तो कुछ 10-12 एमसीक्यू हैं, तो आप इन पे नज़र लगा लीजिए। तो अपना स्कोर भी बता दीजिए कि आपको कितने आते थे पहले से। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, विच इंडियन फ्रीडम फाइटर वाज नोन एज द नाइटिंगेल ऑफ इंडिया? आंसर इज सरोजिनी नायडू। द बैटल ऑफ प्लेसी वाज फॉट इन द ईयर? 1747। नो सॉरी, 1757 इसका आंसर है। हु इंट्रोड्यूस द डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ लैप्स? लॉर्ड वेल्सले, लॉर्ड हेस्टिंग, लॉर्ड डेलहाउस, लॉर्ड कर्जन? आंसर लॉर्ड डेलहाउस। Who was the first woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress? Sarojini Naidu, Indira Gandhi, Annie Besant, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit? That is Annie Besant. Who was the founder of the Brahmo Samaj? Keshab Chandra Sen, Swami Vivekanand, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Rabindranath Tagore? Answer Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Which Governor General abolished the practice of sati? Lord Wellesley, Lord Hastings, Lord William Bentinck, Lord Dalhousie? Answer. Champaran Satyagraha was related to indigo plantation, salt production, textile industry, land revenue. Indigo plantations. Who was the Viceroy of India during the First World War of Independence in 1857? Lord Canning, Lord Dalhousie, Lord Curzon, Lord Ripon? The President of India is elected by? The fundamental rights are enshrined in which part of the Indian Constitution? Part 1st, 3rd, 4th, 5th? Which sector is known as the primary sector of Indian economy? Agriculture, industry, services, IT? Which Indian institution is responsible for monetary policy? Ministry of Finance, Reserve Bank of India, State Bank of India, Planning Commission? The Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states? 5, 6, 7, 8? Which scheme aims to provide free LPG connection to women from below poverty line households? The Integrated Child Development Service ICDS program was launched in? Which of the following is a key component of ICDS? Child health care, adult literacy, senior citizen welfare, environmental protection? If A is the brother of B is the sister of C and C is the father of D, how is A related to D? तो ये आपने खुद ही करना है, बट आंसर इसका है अंकल। आप सॉल्व करना हो, ये रीजनिंग का क्वेश्चन है। व्हाट कम्स नेक्स्ट इन द सीरीज 2, 6, 12, 20? चूज द करेक्ट साइनोनिम फॉर द वर्ड बेनिवोलेंट। इसका साइनोनिम क्या है? मेलावोलेंट, काइंड, क्रूल, मीन? तो इसका आ जाएगा काइंड। आइडेंटिफाई द करेक्ट स्पेलिंग अकोमोडेशन। अकोमोडेशन के करेक्ट स्पेलिंग कौन से इनमें से? सीधा सीधा ये दिख रहा है अकोमोडेशन। Which approach focuses on solving social issues through direct service to individuals? Community development, casework, group work, social planning? Casework. The process of helping an individual to solve his or social problems is called? इसका भी आएगा casework. The famous dance from Bharatnatyam originated in? केरला, आंध्र प्रदेश, तमिलनाडु, कर्नाटका। तमिलनाडु। Which gas is primarily responsible for the greenhouse effect? Oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen. Answer is carbon dioxide. The Chipko movement is associated with river pollution, forest conservation, wildlife protection, air pollution. Forest conservation. The Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee (MGNREGA) was enacted in 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008. 5. Which scheme aims to provide affordable housing to the poor? Rural poor. पीएम किसान, प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना ग्रामीण, स्वच्छ भारत अभियान, जन धन योजना। The caste system in India is primarily based on economic status, religious beliefs, social hierarchy, political power. Political power, social hierarchy, religious beliefs, economic status. The answer is social hierarchy. ओके तो ये थे आपके एमसीक्यू। आपने कितने आपको आते थे उसका हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बता दो कि आपके स्कोर कितना बना। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वाचिंग। ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्जाम।